I got you. We got a good thing, honey, you know we do.
Get to this. When it's closed, you got to crawl over the.
Oh yeah, that's this the one we looked the other day.
Well, we didn't. We didn't
I
get
mean-
to that. Too many people.
Yeah,
Like I like it. It gives you more room. I like that.
the bed you have to.
See, you don't hit your head now. One on top. See?
Nakita na namin to nung nakaraan doon sa expo. Nagtingin-tingin kami ulit kasi maraming tao doon nung tumingin kami sa expo. Kaya tumingin kami ulit dito. Nag-mute ako kasi may music. Ang mahal kaya nito. Yan yung kitchen. Oven. Yan, like ko yung oven. Maganda. Yan ang mahal niya, oh. Tapos CR. Ayan yung laundry. Ang liit. Yan. Tapos shower. Yan yung shower. Bilis ng video. Kitchen, bedroom. Yan. Tapos yan. Dito kakain. Tapos sa iba naman. Ibang ano naman to. Yan. Tapos yan. Sa labas. Haba niya tingnan, di ba? Unlock. Pasok kami sa loob.
Don't mind this one.
Huh? Oh yeah, you can sit many visitors here.
There's the fridge. Oh, this is different.
Oh yeah, you can go straight away to the bed. This is very simple.
Oh, got bunks in it.
Meron dalawang extra beds sa sa
yeah.
kabila.
I just lost
Ayan o, double.
I don't like it.
Yeah,
they didn't have the
para to
bunks.
sa malaking pamilya. May
Charlie's room.
one more, two kids. Diba?
I just don't.
Marami talaga ditong pagpipilian. Yan. Ang gaganda. Iba-iba kasing ano sa loob. Yung iba, marami ditong ano. Yan, straight away to the bed. Marami dito kaso yung iba nakalock. Yan, ang dami, diba? Pagpipilian, yung iba nag-e-expand siya. Ayan, mayroon ditong ano, nag-e-expand siya. Yan. Pinasok ko, ako lang mag-isa niyan. Binuksan ko, tapos hindi naman siya nakalock. Hindi ko makalimutan to. Nalock ako sa loob, hindi ko buksan palabas. Ayan o. Tapos pag nagbiyahe, liligpitin yan siya, matrabaho. Ayan, pati sa kabila, bed. Expand din yan sa labas. Yan. Ang init-init pa naman dito. Hindi ko makalimutan ko. To. Halos lahat tinignan namin. Kasi yung iba nakalock. Ito. Mahal. Very simple. Yan, very simple lang siya.
See, here's your toilet.
Yan, mga kabinet. Yan. Yung toilet niya nasa
See, so then you gotta go like that. See,
shower.
go like that. See, see. There's your washing machine.
That's the washing.
Yeah.
Ang liit ng washing. Hindi naman alam gamitin. Very simple. There's TV.
There's the shower.
Oh wow, you can close the
There's your shower,
door.
huh? See. Yeah. And that's what I reckon you want, like this. Because you're in the kitchen and you can shut off the bedroom.
Someone can close the door on you. See, when you are in the shower.
Oh. I know you're not going to complain.
Another bed?
So this is why we didn't look at it, because I'd seen the back tailgate. See, this is where you can put a quad bike, motorbike, whatever you want in
Yung
here.
apat na single bed dito. Para to sa malaking pamilya.
Yep.
Toilet and shower.
But why don't they make a van like this? That's full size for everything.
Ayan o, kailangan ano. Pwede yan gawin na lang
Four
lounge
bed here.
or stock room.
1 into
Apat na
1
bed.
into.
Ayan, sa kabila.
Oh,
Nag-expand
you can
kasi yan
extend
sa
in the
labas.
back also, huh?
Thank you for watching.